This 2022 Winnebago Micro Minnie FLX 2108 FBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Winnebago is 22 feet 5 inches in length and features one slide-out, a gray, tan interior, sleeps 4, Colorado detector, microwave, water heater, TV, smoke detector, stove-top burner, skylight, spare tire kit, air conditioning, slide-out, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Winnebago Micro Minnie FLX 2108 FBS is 4,210 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.